Yep. Don't know that I've flown this one on my DX9 yet. Wind's still out of the north. Yep.
So how's this one fly?
Flies really nice. It's a little windy for this model today. It's kind of light. You see it weather vaning when it turn around?
Yeah. It's on AS3X or not?
Nope. Nope. Just gotta fly this one. No AS3X. Flies very scale. It'll do a loop, do a roll, but I don't generally. Just flying. It's almost acting like it needs a little trim, but you can't hardly tell in this wind. I'm flying low rates. This one I did set up rates on. Keep a little power on her. This wing, the de Havilland wing, is long and narrow, and they will tip stall if you get them too slow.
Is a Sukhoi kind of like that, long and narrow?
Well, that Sukhoi is a whole different animal. It's a aero. It's a aerobatic model. It's very thin airfoil, short wing. This one has telemetry. Definitely got the low rates on the aileron. See it roll slow?
Yeah, that one does. That one rolls. Looks like it rolls pretty nice.
Yeah, it rolled really slow because I'm not using much aileron.
So do you have to go fast on landings?
No, it floats in pretty good. This one does have flaps and everything. You can bring it in pretty slow. You just got to keep a little power on it, or it'll tip. These Venom batteries are just the nut. They're just the best.
So Venom's like, you think Venom has like more power, I guess, or something?
It's new technology. Some of the best technology.
Venom has the best batteries.
They're light. I was running, I forget the one I was using. It was, darn it. It was an expensive battery. The thing was huge. I couldn't hardly get it into the cavity. And they swelled up and split. And they were shot, so I went with the Venom. Did some reading on them, went with the Venom. They're smaller, lighter, and they got plenty of power. Plenty of juice. Keeping track of that white airplane against that gray sky is...
Yeah. Got a little bit of red, which makes it easier. I went to high rates on the aileron. Put a Zor prop on it last summer. Wooden prop. It just really looks nice with that wooden prop. Yeah, it looks pretty.
See my high rate?
Yeah, it's much faster than the low rates.
Yeah, a lot more throw. Let's shoot a landing here. No flaps. A little power on her. Come on, little airplane.
That lands quick.
Yeah, the wind got it. See how it took off again?
Yeah.
I'm reluctant to use the flaps with all this wind because I probably would never get it on the ground. You look at this model, look at the all the controls, most of them are hidden.
Oh yeah, they are hidden. See, and flaps are off on cut.
Okay, it's secure. There it again. Once again, we cheated death.